Hey, and here we are again, everybody. We are looking at a homework question from Alex that is dealing with computing taxes. So you can see here the instructions say we are going to be calculating income tax using a tax bracket table. All right, so in the column A, I have set up the different tax rates. I've just gone up to 35, and you can go up to whatever you want. The question that I was working on here didn't call for that much. You can see here that my question said that the person makes, let's see, where is it? $76,431 per year. So I set it up this way. All right. So let's go through here together and just take a minute. All right. So first of all, set up the tax rates, right? That's just the values in this column. Next, it says this person is head of household. That means I need to use this column for my head of household tax bracket. All right, that being the case, my lower limits are 0 to 13,000, 0, and the upper here is 13,250. So from 0 to 13,250, I pay 10% income tax. All right, and then I just multiplied right here. I just multiplied those two together, right? Just C, I'm sorry, C minus B times A. The next one goes from 13,250 up to 50,000. So that was my next column, 13,250 up to 50,400. Once again, multiply the formula I'll show you in just a minute. Lastly, the person earns 76,431. So this becomes my new upper this time, right? I'm not going all the way up to 130,000 here, right? Because the individual only earns 76. So I stop right there and don't go any further. Now, let me show you the Excel sheet. All right, so showing you the Excel formula here, you can see I've multiplied C3 right here. C3 minus B3 times A3. In other words, the upper minus the lower times the tax rate. I just do it 3 times because this person only has income that takes up the 3 brackets, the first 3. The total then would be simply using my sum formula to add them all up. And once again, guys, you can use this very quickly and easily to solve any question like this. If it's not a head of household question, you can modify the values. What do I mean? Modify the upper and lower values, and that will then give it to you for single, file jointly or separately, whatever you're doing, okay? And that will knock out the income tax question. Thank you very much, guys. Have yourselves a great afternoon.